Participate mode is now located within the Magic Box. It allows us to divide the screen up into separate boxes for the students. We can do 2, 3, 4, or 6 separate boxes. Let's go ahead and use 2. Let's do blue and green. Students can each have their own color. They can also write their name in the bottom left corner of their box. The eraser will allow the student to erase their work, and the trash can gets rid of everything. The sliding bars give us more options. We can now use images or colors as the background. The Follow Me option is in your cloud storage, pre-installed originals, or anything from your local drive. In color and grid, we can choose from the color options. Let's do light gray. We can also turn the grid on and off. When we're working with more than 2 or 3 students, we have the option to swap rows, which will change which is showing on the top and bottom. Flat mode allows us to turn the view board into an interactive table for students to work on opposite sides of the board. Now let's take a look over at the right with teacher annotation mode. When I turn that on, teacher annotations will show but not edit or change the student's work. The teacher can choose the pen, thickness and color, the highlighter, thickness and color, or the laser pen, which is kind of like disappearing ink. And of course, the eraser and trash can. We now have the option to make a new session and or save our session. Let's save this session. If I am using teacher annotation mode, the teacher annotation will save as a separate image, and each student will have their own image of their work as well. You can put it in your local drive or your connected cloud storage. Notice the file is named the date and time that it is created. You can choose to save your students' work with or without teacher annotations. And when you're finished, tap New Session to create a new session. Happy participating!
Our ViewSonic certified trainers are excited to work with you. If you'd like to have someone on site or virtually guide you through a hands-on learning, please reach out to pdteamus@viewsonic.com.